Today's video is just a quick one to show how I swapped off my Kubota toolbox that I had on my BX, put it on a piece of angle iron and a U-bolt, and put it on my zero turn. And then I'll show you where I put an old Taklebox that I had onto my Kubota, and gonna use that as a toolbox. We'll see how it goes. I might throw in some more footage of the puppies at the end of this video, but so not a whole lot. Stick around. You might enjoy it. Welcome to my channel. This is where you'll be able to find some videos on modifications and implements for the subcompact tractor, as well as some tool reviews and some lessons learned the hard way. So kick back, relax, and enjoy the video. I think you'll enjoy it. Okay, we got the angle iron cut off, so you can see the just used a U-bolt and a piece of angle iron. Worked out, and then drilled a couple holes where the bolts would go through underneath. I think you can see that with the shadow, hopefully. I put some wing nuts on there. I thought I'd be able to take it off if I wanted to. Don't see any reason why I would, but I've had those laying around. Figured I'd use them. Pair of cotton gloves, my pruners, and the old pruning saw. Alright. Okay, so there's the Taklebox. I used the same bracket that was on there with the Kubota toolbox. Let's get up here and let you see it. So, you know, it's got the compartments. I did find I want to keep it kind of light though. You know, the socket and the nuts for the wood chipper. Hey, my daughter just came out. We're gonna run out. But this opens on up. Got my other stuff in there, kind of down deep. I did use a pretty good size washer right there. Got two of them because it does kind of lean back. We'll see how this works. It's a little big, but well, we'll see how it works. I could always put in a larger plate down there to reinforce the bottom. We'll see. It's a little much. Oops. This has some other little things. I don't put a whole lot of in there because it weighs it down. You know, when I open it, I don't want it pulling it off. Really putting a lot of strain on the bolts, on the bottom, rather. Alright, so that's the Taklebox toolbox. We're going to try it out. I had it, wasn't using it, so figured we'll see how that works. I'm going to get a little doggy footage. I can't believe you did that.
Over your thing, by the way.
What? My drink?
Yeah.
Why would you let them do that?
And then I barked. And then that also got their attention. So I was messing with them a lot.
So did you get the other dogs to howl?
No.
Why not?
I didn't want.
Try it again.
They would see me and then realize it's not another dog.
Yeah.
Then they wouldn't howl.
Try it. We got the video going.
What?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
On the puppies here. Did you spill it?
I'm gonna throw this at you.
I'm gonna pour this on you.
Get him! Get him!
Here, put that. Please. What are you guys doing?
Get him!
You guys are vicious.
Mess him up! Get him! Get him!
Oh, Kai. Hey, buddy. We gotta wear you guys out. Got your spot inside all cleaned up.
You're inside already.
Well, we gotta tire him out again. Oh, shit.
Get him!
Arr, arr, arr. Start howling. Get the dogs to howl.
What?
Get the dogs to howl.
You have to do it with me.
All right.
Here, I have to hide. Or so look over. What is that?
Kai monster.
Kai. Ah.
Koji's standing just over here. Koji, be good, buddy.
He was being good with them.
Yeah?
Yeah. He sniffed them, and then he went to play with them, but I yelled at him.
Yeah.
Hey, no.
Nice, okay. So, Koji, are these your babies?
Yep.
We've seen you in action, stuck to their mommy, even though you've been fixed. I still say it's impossible.
They're his babies. They have your leopard chest. Does he have blood on his face? Koji, did you hurt someone?
I don't know. Look at them all just sitting, chilling. Huh, Koji? Is that your baby Kai?
Your Kai monster. Your Kaiser roll, Koji. Is that your baby?
They'll be glad their mama's not out here.
He's following me.
Koji, go away. I don't know. Smell their butts or something. Isn't that the proper way?
He's already smelled all their butts.
Yeah. Go away, Code. Go.
What babies are peeing?
I don't want them to get, too crazy around them.
Kai. Kai.
No. Who was that, Kai?
I'm gonna try monster.
Okay, Code, you go back to the house. Go. Go. Go.
Only want to follow him. No teasing. Go.
launched our video on Wednesday. I created the Patreon account. Guess how many Patreons we have?
How many?
0. So your dreams of being a YouTuber, it's harder than you think. And you thought it was a sure thing with puppies, huh? They got to do something cute and viral. You're gonna have to teach them some tricks. Man, there's a lot of gnats today.
They're attractive.
And they're wore out. They're not playing like they were when we first brought them out. Alright. You want a milkshake? It is Shake Sunday. Alright. What was that, Gigi? Who did that?
Why does she always look so sad?
She does.
Oh, you made her cry. Give her a peck. Gigi. Oh, you got a stick?
Good girl. Good girl.
Gigi. Did he make you cry? I know.
Yeah, they were really rambunctious when we first brought them out. They take a nap and
They're calm.
they're calm, yeah. You need to hype them up
Why?
before we go in. Hey, Kai Monster. Kayabunga. Well, we should have had the camera on them when we first brought them out. They were rambunctious. You want to start bringing them in? You can take them in one at a time. Why don't you go put all their stuff in? Then we'll bring them in. Can you hit stop on the camera? Okay, coming up, you're going to see some footage of the dog that comes around that could be the father of the puppies. I pretty much try and shoo them away. I was using a firecracker and then bottle rockets when he'd stay a little further away, and now a paintball gun. This footage is before Bella had the puppies, but we knew that she was pregnant pretty much. So, let me know if the puppies look like him. Go home, Ace. You already knocked up Bella. Go home.
Yeah, you gotta get along.
Get out of here. Thanks for watching, guys. Here's a sneak peek of a video I'm going to be doing, the spotlight that was sent to me to review. Anyway, I'll get to that, but man, those puppies are relaxing to watch. It's just fun to watch. Sorry they weren't as active. The next video with some puppy action, we'll get some rambunctious puppies. O&D out.